Welcome back to my channel for another video. So this video is pretty basic and stuff. So it's like a basic command handler. So it's pretty easy. So what you want to do right now is let's do client on message. So let's create a new message function. Client on message. Let's create a new function. Alright, so now what you can do is write if message content starts with prefix. You have to write like on the top, like you have to write something new. Const prefix equals, and then whatever you want. It has to be less than 3 characters though. So for me it's exclamation mark, but you can put whatever you want. So over there, now you gotta write, which is like this key backwards. I mean with shift. And you're gonna write message dot author dot bot. And you can write return. You can type return. There you go. And you can go down 2 lines and write const logs equals message dot content slide. Let's just change it to author. Content slice. Okay, so message dot content dot slice, and now you can write prefix dot blend. So after that you can write dot split. Oops, I forgot to put parentheses. Plus. Okay, there you go. Now you can write the semicolon. Now you can go down 1 line and write const command equals args shift and the parentheses, and then now you can write dot to lowercase right here. Open up these and just, yeah, there you go. Now you can go down 2 lines and write, you're done with these stuff, so now you can write if command is equal to, let's do ping or something, and you can open these up and create its function, and now you can write message dot channel dot send ping. You can do whatever command you want. So if you want to make more commands, you can write else if command equals to, I don't know, something, open it up and write message channel dot send. Oops. Spam something, I don't know what you want. So what this does is that it takes your prefix, this code, it takes your prefix and automatically puts it, so there's no need to put your prefix over here, because it already puts it with it, puts it inside of it. So I do like exclamation point ping or something. So yeah, that's what you can do. So once you like keep doing this, there's an advanced command handler video which is coming out tomorrow or the day after. So yeah, let's node space dot. Savage Dev is online. It should be online, yeah. See, it's online right now. This is just some before testing I did. So now let's write ping pong. It replies with pong. So yeah. If you have any questions, you can always join the support server. Yeah, thanks for watching. You can use like this for many things. You can create your Discord bot. Whoever's watching this, please don't raid my Discord bot. Someone raided it. I had to make a new server because they're posting other stuff, which, yeah, I'm not gonna say. So yeah, just don't raid my bot. I'm changing my token after this. So I'm just gonna delete this. Yes, I'm changing it right now. I'm deactivating it. Just in front of you so that you won't know. There you go. Now you can't hack my bot. Alright, so thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Always feel free to share my videos. Yeah, so also watch these 2 videos if you're like watching. If you're new to this channel. Comment down some video ideas if you want. And so thanks. I'll see you next time. Bye.